In this video I will explain to you guys how you can improve your LEGO Technic skills, and I will be giving away some free stuff. If you want to get better at making your own models, you simply have to build a lot. I know that that's not really helpful advice, so I came up with 5 steps to give you guys a ladder to climb. Step 1. Build the B models. Every LEGO Technic set comes with 2 building instructions. The A model is the one on the front of the box and the B model is the one on the back. A lot of times people only build the A model and never actually build the B model. And that's a shame, because even if the model is not that interesting to look at, it might surprise you in the way it is built. For example, the B model from this set has an awesome technique to fold in the mist lamps. Step 2. After you finish building it, improve it. Every LEGO set has a limited number of parts because it needs to stay affordable, but most of you guys have more than one set. This means that you have more parts and you are less restricted than the actual LEGO designers, so make use of that advantage. After you finish the model, ask yourself, what can I add and what can I improve? For example, if you have just built a vehicle, add motors. And if it already has motors, add a trailer, or lights, or sounds, or whatever you can think of. Step 3. Build your own version. Pick a model you have made and really look at how it's built and how things work. Then, try to make a brother for it. Use mostly what you can think of yourself, and if you really can't find your own way to do a certain part, just copy the technique used in the original set. Step 4. Educate yourself. There is a lot of LEGO knowledge in the world, so use it. A great way to start is by reading this book. This book is literally loaded with great tips and techniques. It's suitable for both young and advanced builders, and I guarantee your building skills will improve. I reached out to the author of this book, Paul, who most of you know from his YouTube channel, Serial's LEGO Workshop, and he was generous enough to provide me with 10 digital copies of his book for me to give away to you guys. All you need to do to be eligible to win is be a subscriber to this channel, leave a comment and share this video. I will randomly pick 10 winners by the 30th of April. Make sure you check out all the rules in the description below. If you would just like to buy this book, there's also a link for that in the description. It's available in both paperback and as an ebook, but I highly recommend you get the physical book. Also, make sure you sign up to a LEGO forum, like Eurobricks for instance. Here you can see a lot of cool builds, show other builders your creations and get help on whatever you're working on if you get stuck. Step 5. Get inspired. YouTube is a very nice place to look for LEGO inspiration. While you're on YouTube, try searching for LEGO GBC. It stands for Great Ball Contraption. This is a social project in which people build a module to transport balls from A to B in an interesting way. They all have an input on the left side and an output on the right side, so they can be lined up to form a huge chain. This is mesmerizing to watch, and you will see hundreds of interesting techniques in just a few minutes. Just make sure you don't get sucked into the YouTube grasp. It's very easy to get hooked and you will spend more time watching videos than you are actually building stuff. Well, that's it. I hope you guys learned something and that you pass that knowledge along to someone else. Also, if you have a great tip to get better at LEGO Technic, please leave it in the comments down below so everyone can read it.